Welcome back to 7th grade science. Today I'll be showing you how to do the assignment on storms. So after watching this video, we'll look at the materials, but we're learning about storms because they are intense. They change the topography of the earth over time. It changes our lives and interacts with all the different spheres of life on earth. Plus they're really cool, dangerous as well. And so when you have interesting and amazing and dangerous mixed together, I think that's kind of a mixture for something cool to look at. So we're going to have you guys watch the video here and then fill in the blanks and the notebook section of your Weather Learn Ed notebook, page 14. You're going to read the lesson text below because it's kind of easier to see the images and read about it briefly than it is for me, I think, to explain it in a video. So then using the underlined words, you can fill in all the blanks. The underlined or the bolded words are all of the fill in the blanks for that page. If you don't have your physical book, don't worry. Again, you can click on this image here. It will open a new tab or open a tab and allow you to make a copy. All you have to do is click on each line and type in your answer. So you can do it digitally as well. You can turn in your work by sending a photo or screenshot of your work or link your work here in Canvas. If you need help with any of that or don't have access to something that would help you send pictures of your work, please just let me know in an email or contact me and I will help you out with that as soon as I can. There's also a full copy of the PDF down here. Here we go. So storms. Storms are essentially natural atmospheric disturbances. They cause a lot of interesting phenomena, including air pressure, changes in air pressure, clouds, rain, strong winds, and things like that. So thunderstorms, this is a slow motion lightning arc, which is pretty cool, which are also called electrical storms. You can see the cumulonimbus clouds here, which I love that they put into Up, that movie. I'll always remember cumulonimbus. But that's what they look like. They're giant air masses, and they are formed by, like we learned in the previous lesson about air fronts, they push clouds up into the shape of cumulonimbus clouds, otherwise known as thunderheads. So we're learning about this now because right now on Earth, you can actually see lightning striking all over the place. There's always lightning striking the Earth, and or different parts of the Earth. If you'd like, on the homepage, if you click on the homepage and go to scroll underneath the links, there is an embedded weather app called windy.com, and you can actually click on that, use it on the homepage or in a new tab, and you can find on the filters all of the live lightning strikes and the weather recording data from satellites and land-based instruments. You can actually see and hear a pop on your computer every time lightning strikes where you're looking out on the Earth. So you can listen to and see lightning striking as an icon halfway around the world if you'd like to right now. It's really cool. So check that out if you're interested. Tornadoes, there may not be a tornado somewhere on Earth all the time, but they are important storms and they affect the world pretty violently most of the time. Hurricanes as well. This is a shot from space. This is another space shot. Hurricanes tend to be enormous rotating collections of cumulonimbus clouds. So instead of just one or a couple of them to form a thunderhead, they're groups and groups that make these massive storms. Here's how the eye of hurricanes form, and you can look more at that later. This is a weather cam from a ski ridge, but you can read about winter storms as well. And if you have any questions about these storms or find something else interesting that you'd like to bring up with this, please let me know. And I look forward to seeing your work and seeing you on Zoom.